Ever wondered how to boost your productivity while working with Microsoft 365? It's a question that many professionals grapple with daily. The answer might be simpler than you think. It's called Microsoft M365 Copilot, a powerful tool designed to enhance your workflow and elevate your workday. Unleashing creativity is one of the key benefits of using Copilot. It's like having your very own digital assistant, designed to generate ideas and write more creative content. Copilot provides suggestions and completes sentences based on your context, tone, and writing style. So, if you're feeling stuck or uninspired in your work, this AI tool can become your creative muse, helping you to break through that mental block. Next, let's talk about productivity. Time is a precious commodity, and none of us can afford to waste it. Copilot understands this. It automates tasks that are often time-consuming or repetitive. Need to format a document, create a table, summarize a long piece of text? Copilot can handle all of these tasks, freeing you up to focus on your most important work. But Copilot doesn't just help you get work done. It's also a tool for learning and improving your skills in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 applications. As you work, Copilot provides suggestions and completions, helping you learn new features and techniques. You'll be a Microsoft 365 wizard in no time. Now, you might worry about security or performance issues when using a new tool. But fear not. Copilot is built on Microsoft's enterprise-grade AI platform. This ensures that it's not only secure and reliable, but also scalable. You can use Copilot in your organization without a second thought. The last benefit we'll discuss is how Copilot is grounded in your business data. This AI tool can access and analyze your business data, such as your CRM and ERP systems. It provides context-aware suggestions and completions, helping you to make more informed, data-driven decisions. So there you have it. The Microsoft M365 Copilot is more than just a tool. It's your partner in productivity, creativity, and learning. Why not give it a try? Experience the benefits of Microsoft M365 Copilot today. It might just revolutionize the way you work.